Aw, man, I got the hiccups again. I wonder what hiccups are. I bet you there's something online about hiccups.
A hiccup is an involuntary contraction of the diaphragm that may repeat several times per minute. In scientific terms, hiccups are referred to synchronous diaphragmic flutter. The hiccup is an involuntary action involving a reflex arc. Once triggered, the reflex causes a strong contraction of the diaphragm by the closure of the vocal cords, which results to the classic hic sound.
But I wonder how I can get rid of these annoying hiccups.
There are many different ways to get rid of hiccups. In the past, doctors have tried using drugs. Many other home remedies include drinking water and taking deep breaths and breathing into a paper bag.
Whoa, I don't have the hiccups anymore. It actually worked. That video was a great one. I wonder why I got the hiccups. What are some of the main causes for hiccups?
So, you are now wondering why you had the hiccups. So, to have the hiccups, the causes may be rapid eating, drinking carbonated beverages, drinking alcohol, eating dry breads, and some spicy foods. Causes also include laughing.
Wow, this video is pretty interesting. I wonder what are some other facts about hiccups.
Now for some fun facts about hiccups. An American, Charles Osborne, had hiccups for over 68 years, from 1922 to February 1990. And he entered the Guinness World Records as the man with the longest attack of hiccups, estimated to 430 million hiccups. Hiccups are treated medically only in severe and persistent cases, such as the case of Jennifer Me, a 19-year-old woman who in 2007 had 5 weeks of hiccups.